Okay, another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the SoundBlaster AE-5 PCI Express sound card. This is part of the SoundBlaster X Pro gaming series of stuff that SoundBlaster make. This is the Pure Edition, so it's different to the standard version in that it's slightly more expensive, and it's white. So quick look at the back, and there's the seals. So it's a very nice box. Let's cut the seals. 1, 2, and see what's inside. So there's the sound card itself. So this is white. It's white on the back as well. Take it out of its little sleeve. Oh, hang on. No, we have to unpeel it from its sleeve, not take it out. That. There's the sound card itself, very nice. It's also got LEDs on the top and there, and there's a Molex connector, and that's for the front panel audio inputs. Yep, so it's a sound card. It's a nice white one, so that's great. And in this here we have the gubbins. Now what makes it the Pure Edition mainly is the fact that it's white, but also because it comes with some extra goodies. So you obviously get the sound card that's white, but you also get 1, 2, 3, 4 SoundBlaster branded LED lighting strips, which can all be plugged in and daisy chained up together because this sound card supports lighting effects. So you get 4 strips with it. Not sure why they plug in. Oh, they must go in there. So it's got a built-in LED controller on it. Nothing else in that box. Quite a nice branded box. And here are some bits and bobs, so we'll see what's in here. That's got the general quick start guide, which identifies the various parts of it. It's in different languages as well, so although it seems to be quite thick, only a couple of panels of that are going to be relevant depending on how many languages you speak. That's something about emissions, I expect. Warranty information. The worldwide warranty. That's the one that goes actually into the sound card, and then the LED strips daisy chain onto that. So it's got a proprietary connector, and there's a thanks for giving us your money thing. So yeah, so it's different to the standard version in that the card itself is white, and you get 4 strips. There's 3M on the back, so they're self-adhesive, and yeah, and it's an excellent sound card. So any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. Like and subscribe please if you can, that'd be nice, and thanks for watching.